OKFM 101.7.
Lawyer Gary Nimako Marfo wono Director of Legal Affairs ewo MPP amanyuko mu oyemranim ni kese ye na ntwetwe enkomo law me moache
so kwa me Joshua
na boko de
ya bende ya chebia
yo
also one wajuma afo nyina mo yajuma nyina obi aho ye de
omu nyina ho ye pa na ayi Supreme Court what the reasons in here were ma ruling on Gyekye Quayson issue no or the aba na anopay enso ye ne yewura godwon yedi tamaklu wankasa unua adi nkomo and what say reliance on the two earlier decisions of the Supreme Court between Professor Assin and expertise in ato de no se wo kan bibi e de sa issue ni se wo kofa ba e de abe make case we dia na ese nka Gyekye Quayson enke ruli man se o wono na edibim e wa asem ni mu afei se wo the foreign law like Canadian law ba you must lead in evidence in Canadian law and Canadian law no wontimi mfa maha e meye argument wo obi citizenship because nipa kro no naturally no we citizen wa ha na emom ni Canadian citizenship no na ho aba asema ye ka nti wo se ye bibi wo a saa ade no expose the judgment of the Supreme Court efa saa citizenship ne ade and wo ko to say niam bi wo kra na efa allegiance ni say we national no difference wom metimi aye national but me hold allegiance to the president and minor no me national me parliament to aba me bibia nhye me say enkomo yi ene dia abai eto say
yo come so pa bi sa cha fo nyina bi na asema me ni atamakolo pe bi ono am say obeso odada nyina that's what dada wo tiefo or dada me dada fo nyina ni omu tie okayfm nyina so dada obia ogwa or dada nyina ogwa pame edita no mamenka na edi na ntia ase makadada e wo fidation mo sa sabi when it says oath of allegiance the one swear now a foreign national now one swear ultimately enya citizenship of any other country before more citizenship no I also was swear the oath of allegiance of that country and sana with a certificate of naturalization and sana what you apply for passport of that foreign country. That is the procedure. And which mean and delinquent allegiance, nationality, loyalty to the country. Which mean delinquent no. You cannot separate it. And this
an analogy be say. Met me aya santini. By bed me akase me hold allegiance and as a men sumo tumfo.
So analogy no, it doesn't hold water. It doesn't hold water because say oba kwa faso agba akwa a citizenship of another country. For instance, obi aya won Ghana, obi aya won Canada, obi aya won America, ya won Britain. Na di part say said the AB obi we kromo na obi we kromo no say bia nkrata do ba no say nkrata ye bia me fa na say student visa and maybe a marriage visa, maybe a working holiday visa, maybe a visit visa, maybe a pastor visa, whatever you might call it. At this stage, I remember indefinite status. I said, yeah, indefinite leave to remain. And now green card, in my own year. In my own year, Asa, you are still holding on to your Ghanaian passport. You are at that time, you are not a citizen of that particular country. Now, money any party, and I was okay, any mama, is qualify it's a bit of the oath of allegiance to this country. Now, I'm a passport. And you know, when you swear oath of allegiance now, yeah, my passport. Once you are, yeah, my passport. It's you know, oath of allegiance, no. Loyalty, passport citizenship in now, no. Ain't that point? You can't decouple it. Ain't that point?
okayfm.
If you wait, now go away. If you wait, now go away. And you say, I don't know the man we ever open to one. Analogy know that it doesn't hold water because that an analogy. I know you analogy for yourself for them. So you need a small person. You get passport than almost done for. I come in. Come. Oh, la show.
Me wala na so pa.
Yeah, before. You small person. Do we hold a different passport than other people in Ghana?
There be.
Channel your mother mound, it doesn't hold water. At all, because Okasa, let's suppose you say, now smoke from Shua, all different passports. Sunday, we are and Kenya, now some Gamancha, all different passports. And yeah, it's hard to check. I know that whatever I want, it doesn't hold any water at all. It should have given that analogy at all. What I say, and now, but still come up with and now, we are a case, no. Expert is not my rollers. All is a case, no. What I say, and the Supreme Court, you know, can say, Abra, a year, I mean, for nomination, no, a pick off by issue, no. Breno, na, was say, will qualify, I take a minute before, so I go to Ghana, you, so you're Ghana, you. Register voter, the register voter, a friend say, 8 years and above, whatever, also qualified in Sabreno. Now, what should there be? Supreme Court, I interpret it against our Frank. The general said the almost a general worker. Now, we can say, that's how the court not carry with that. So the thing takes it first from this time. So there is no need for you to go back for interpretation. Once the video go back, and I went back. Actually, the matter has been upheld by the Supreme Court. What I say, you know, so much in no. Some corner, they can't want them. Nothing has changed. I mean, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed at the Supreme Court. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. You know, you're clear to carry there. Maybe choke up a mentation. If you want a mentation, in a sense, you know, the okay, the who can do, ma'am, many of them are there. Also,
Babe, Mammy Radie, say, no renunciation, Bibia intact, or contested a by election was said, Mama NDC. Srobi or say a criminal case in God, Nipe can say, Nadia. Says Papa says Supreme Court and call in his favor. Na a quay be owa. Na ye sign a quay chibium, a quay by election will be derby. Send the Papa one at 10 say, would you find out would be media or who comes with him contesting. Senkawu offer advice ya. Mim Putunisa, Casena as a council.
Oh, quite. Oh, sir, my catcher, many ornaments before the sir. Upon us, you say no, no court, no. A criminal in nature. They can bet me and come on to a wash. Banka court, no, in the afternoon, Banka court the year. Banka, no show some not feature elections because at this stage, yeah. Modern call elections here. Sabre, the fate, you know, in the criminal case, you know, hangs in the pendulum. Still, I just hungry, will be any, so some no, the Kundifa, and Abogumuno. Why did you do? Oh, never could rule. Now, therefore, no, me and can't share more penny for the share. I didn't know. The car party, I have wood on. You have got Papa next to the one, sir. Assin, you try say, you didn't go future elections. As far as I say, all clear the 100 years, they're for them go. They can't answer. Now, say, but who say, I don't want to say, they are advising on taking political risk. I thought said they will also be taking legal risk as well. No, because when you take the legal risk, you take a political risk, you calculate it and balance the equation. Don't we say, wait a while, and I win them well. What I say. But I don't get it's up to them. For me, and I'm making two, they will be after. And I'm a chairman for I can tell the chairman, Madaroma. For me, if you listen to me, Mumbo hold you on. Now, Papa, no, on one pen who we can who we are question who so now say the 2024 and now future elections. But for now, dear, we hold you on answer. You should present it for now. Because it's a quiet. Sometimes they are the guy now I want to let you know right there. But if you are course, we can say, oh, we need for they're free. A caucus will be for. Let's say another by-election will be occasion. That will not be in the interest of the taxpayer. It will not be in the interest of the country. Here, hold you on. And what you between now and 2024, I don't think it's too far. Not too far. Election is just 2024 and 2025. I don't think it's too far.
Okay,
but but sometimes they may not understand it. And they have said already said they will take him no. They can take the risk and then whatever it is no. And you're massive.
I see. No, medasi no pay.
You come and that's a cry.
It's medasi pa. Bye. Lawyer Gary Nimako Marfo ne any twin come on K101.7 so
okayfm 101.7